vehicles. If you have seen, we see a lot of accidents, especially accidents generally happen during early morning hours or late evening hours. Schools go stay. If you see from last year onwards, with the help of transport department, we were able to bring road safety as a part of the curriculum from first standard to 9th standard. ಈಗ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆಗಲಿ ಟ್ರಾಫಿಕ್ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಸಿ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕೊರಿಲೇಟ್ ವಿತ್ ವಾಟ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಡ್. ಫ್ಯೂ ಮಂತ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಒಂದು ಛೋಟಾ ಕಾಪ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಪೇನ್ ವಾಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಡ್, ವೇರ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಟು ರೇಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಹೌ ವೆಲ್ ದೇ ಡ್ರೈವ್, and every parent, most of them failed because though they knew the rules, they broke the rules in front of the kids, and it was like a kid who could not correlate that what he studied and what he saw were totally different. So one of the main reasons, if you ask me, why accidents happen, it could be fatal or non-fatal, it depends on the luck of that person to some extent, but one is on the outskirts it is mostly because of overspeeding is one. Second is sometimes because of not following traffic rules and other violations, and sometimes even some engineering defects on the road also cause such accidents. But it is very important that such campaigns, ಈಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, somebody has to analyze the data. Analysis is very important to tell what is the way forward. And this study by NIMHANS with the support of Vital Strategies actually gives the enforcement authorities like us. Now most of them, in enforcement ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ everybody thinks it is a punitive action. It actually it is not a punitive action, but it is a precautionary action that we have to take to ensure that people don't violate laws, don't violate speeding rules, to ensure that there are no future accidents. So this is one such classic study that has been done in behalf of NIMHANS for us, that actually furthers our cause to ensure that there are zero fatalities. I thank NIMHANS and Vital Strategies for taking, along with Bloomberg, for taking up this initiative. This is a 1-year-old data ಇದೆ, ಮತ್ತೆ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು and give us more inputs so that the enforcement authorities like us and transport, we can better implement these strategies on the ground and ensure that we move towards a zero fatality district in future. Thank you for giving this opportunity, and on behalf of BTP, thank you to all.
ಅಂತ ವಿಷಯ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಾದ್ಯಂತ ನಾವು ಇದ್ರ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಾವಾದರೂ ಸಮೇತ ತುಂಬ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಾಮುಖ್ಯತೆಯನ್ನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಂಥ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ವೈಟಲ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಟಜೀಸ್ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯವರು ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭದ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲಿರುವಂಥ ಶ್ರೀ ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಶ್ರೀ ಪುರುಷೋತ್ತಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಗುರುರಾಜ್ ಸರ್ ಅವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಅವರೇ, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಗೌತಮ್ ಅವರೇ, ಪೂಜಾ ಗುಪ್ತಾ ಅವರೇ, ಹಾಗೂ ಅಪರಾಜಿತಾ ಅವರು, ಹಾಗೂ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಹ್ವಾನಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತಿನ ದಿನ ಈ ಒಂದು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಸಮಾರಂಭಕ್ಕೆ ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಅಡಿಷನಲ್ ಕಮಿಷನರ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರಿ ರೋಡ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಅವ್ರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ನ ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಂದೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೇನೆ. Since 2019, Karnataka state has lost 67,169 of its people on the deadly roads due to crashes. Apart from these, over 2.83 lakh people were injured, and probably many of them died later due to complications or were left disabled for their remaining life years. This is nothing but a pandemic that we have to prevent. Road safety is a public health problem, which means we have to prevent at a population level. We cannot even think of the unimaginable physical, mental, emotional, social, and financial suffering that the families of the victims go through on a daily basis. In the recent times, when the accident spot was visited, wherein which 7 people died, including 6 students who were driving at an unbelievable speed of 160 km/h on Hoskote Road, we could very well feel the trauma that their parents are going through even now. But we know that largely most crashes are preventable if the biggest risk factors that cause most of these crashes can be addressed. And That is possible if all stakeholders build a robust system of collaboration and strengthen our capacity of understanding the proven strategies. We need to plan, finance, implement, and evaluate interventions that will work, and with the help of technical partners of the Bloomberg initiatives. For global road safety, we have been able to take certain steps in the right direction since 2022. Since 2022, the Karnataka State Road Safety Authority has financed and implemented 4 mass media campaigns in Karnataka, out of which 3 are focused on speed as the biggest killer. Vital Strategies has been supporting us with their technical expertise to plan and message and design the content after thorough research. They have also supported us to work together with the enforcement agencies like police and transport department to strategically enforce on speed when the campaign is on air, which is a global best practice. Research shows that enforcement paired with campaigns can reduce crashes by up to 9%. The BTP and KSP issued memos to all units to conduct special drives through the period and further reinforce the message among motorists on the need to follow up speed limits. Post-campaign evaluation is a tool to analyze the campaign impact and effectively of the message being constantly disseminated to them through various platforms, and it also helps us understand which platform has a higher outreach and who in the targeted group of audience has been motivated to comply with the safety norms. It is for the first time in India that different sets of data on road crashes is being researched and triangulated to understand the impact of a road safety intervention. Nimhan's team, along with the Vital Strategies, has reached the violations recorded by the police. Outcome included crashes, fatalities, and injuries before and after the campaign from the police, roadside observation of speed collected by Nimhan's team, and the targeted survey of motorists about 18 years on their knowledge, attitude, and behavior by Vital Strategies. Karnataka State Road Safety Authority is committed to continue road safety interventions and would request the District Road Safety committees to utilize these resources to further create awareness through campaigns coupled with enforcement. Thus, I am ending this report. ಈಗ ಇವರು ಏನು ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದು ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ, ಕಾರ್ತಿಕ್ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ 1 ವರ್ಷದ ಹಿಂದಿಂದ ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಇದೊಂಥರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮದು. ಆವಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಇನ್ನೂ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗಾಗಲೇ ಏನು ಫ್ಯಾಟಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಆಶಿಸ್ತಾ ನಂಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ನಾನು